Hi, do you know about microneedling? I'm Dr. Puneet Saraogi and you're at Everything Skin and Hair, and today we'll discuss everything about microneedling. So what exactly is microneedling? Well, microneedling as a concept is a collagen induction treatment for the skin, and what I mean by that is during this procedure we create micro wounds in the skin which helps promote our own skin to produce more collagen. And what does that mean? Well, more collagen means there will be reduction in acne scars. Your pores will look more minimized. It will help prevent fine line formation, generally improving your texture and tone of your skin. So what are the different types of microneedling? Well, basically there are three different methods of microneedling. The first and the earliest is derma roller. So derma roller basically is a barrel embedded with fine needles on it. The length of the needle can be decided depending on the treatment that we are doing. The second type of microneedling is a microneedling pen, popularly known as derma pen, doctor pens, etc. And these pens basically oscillate. So once you put on the needle tip or the cartridge onto the pen can be set to oscillate the needles in and out of the skin. And the third category of microneedling device is microneedling radiofrequency. It basically combines two different technologies in one, which is microneedling and radiofrequency, giving double impetus to the skin for collagen formation. For example, between a derma roller and a microneedling pen, my preference is a microneedling pen because in the same instrument I can adjust the needle depth and customize the treatment depending on your face. Also, microneedling pen having a small tip can be used very conveniently over delicate areas like around the eyes and nose as well. Also, if I'm targeting one or two individual scars, a pen is much better because of the small tip compared to a roller. Now we come to the third type of microneedling, which is microneedling radiofrequency. Because it combines two different technologies, definitely the effect is far superior, and it also has a better skin lifting or an anti-aging effect. So when you're going to a dermatologist, if you are primarily getting treated for acne scars, both options are great, the microneedling pen as well as microneedling radiofrequencies. But for anti-aging, if you're doing a microneedling radiofrequency is far superior than the microneedling pen. So the most common question I get asked is it painful, doc? Well, I know the treatment sounds painful because it says microneedling, but don't worry, we use a numbing cream for an hour before the procedure, which makes the treatment relatively very comfortable. So how do you decide which treatment to choose? Well, that's where you can have a consultation with a dermatologist to kind of make a treatment plan which is best for your skin type and your treatment need. How many sessions are needed and how are these spaced out? Well, anywhere between 4 to 8 sessions would be an optimum treatment protocol that is decided between you and a dermatologist, and generally I would space these out at 4 to 8 weeks interval, giving enough time for your skin to produce collagen. What to expect after the treatment? Well, your skin will definitely look a little flushed, pink. There may be slight swelling on your skin immediately after the treatment. Depending on the intensity used, the swelling subsides over the next 24 to maximum 4 or 5 days. And it's best to restrict extreme sun exposure after the treatment. So plan your treatments well. Another popular trend that I see is using derma rollers and microneedling pens at home. Well, the difference of a professional microneedling versus a home microneedling is primarily the depth of the needle. So when you're using a home device, it will be at 0.1 to 0.25 at the maximum 0.5 millimeters in depth, which is more epidermal or more outer layer penetration. However, when we do it professionally in a clinic, we choose the needle length anywhere between 1.5 mm to 3.5 mm, which is much deeper into the skin, so which will tackle your deeper acne, scar issues or anti-agings far better than the home device. So between the two, definitely a dermatologically done microneedling is far superior than the home microneedling, and you don't run the risk of infections, trauma, and sometimes when you do the needling at home, you end up getting scars or scratch marks because of grading the skin or abrading the skin onto the skin. So if you have any queries on microneedling, do drop it in the comment section and we will answer those for you.